In a small village surrounded by green fields and dusty roads, there lived a young man named Daniel. Daniel was known for one thing: his quick temper. If someone spoke harshly to him, he replied even harsher. He believed strength meant winning every argument. But deep inside, Daniel was tired. Every night, his mind felt like a battlefield. One Sunday morning, Daniel walked into the old village church. The pastor spoke clearly: "Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind." Those words followed Daniel home. That night he whispered, "Jesus, if you can change hearts, can you change my mind too?" The next morning he opened an old Bible and read, "Love your enemies." He frowned, but kept reading. Day after day, Daniel began replacing old thoughts with new ones. When anger said, "Get revenge," Jesus' words said, "Forgive." One afternoon, a man named Ravi mocked him and spilled fruit. The old Daniel would have fought. But then a thought came: "Blessed are the peacemakers." Daniel took a deep breath, picked up the fruit and said, "It's okay." He felt stronger, not weaker. As weeks turned into months, Daniel became calmer, kinder, patient. He told his grandmother, "Jesus is changing me." When a little boy was bullied, Daniel told him, "The strongest heart is the one filled with love." Years passed, and Daniel became someone people trusted. He always said, "I stopped asking God to change my situation, and I started asking Him to change my mind." True transformation begins within you. To think like Jesus means replacing bitterness with mercy, fear with faith, and revenge with forgiveness. Every day, your mind is being shaped by something. What are you allowing to shape you? It is daily surrender, choosing prayer over panic, truth over lies, and slowly, your mind begins to look less like the world, and more like Jesus. Ask yourself, what thought do I need to surrender to God tonight? Whisper the prayer, "Jesus, change my mind." When your mind changes, your life follows. And when your mind begins to think like Jesus, your heart finally finds peace.